Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks playback. First, make sure Vrchat and any required Unity/runtime versions match. Mismatched builds cause codec failures. Then check the video. Use MP4 with H. 264, limit resolution to 1080p and keep bitrate moderate to avoid buffering. Once done, temporarily disable firewall or add Vrchat to exceptions and test on the same LAN to rule out NAT or router blocking. Now you dive into the in-world player settings because that's where playback most often breaks. Open the player prefab and confirm the URL string or file path is exact. Small typos kill streams. If using hosted content, run a local HTTP server to rule out hosting headers. If local, toggle streaming versus embedded. Adjust buffer size and seek logic, then reinitialize the player component so shaders and textures load correctly. Once you see progress, iterate on buffer and retry in the instance. Finish by cleaning up and validating. You should restart Vrchat and clear the cache so corrupted assets can't persist. That often fixes missing textures or hung streams. Then swap in a small, proven test clip to determine whether the problem is the file or the player. If issues continue, collect player logs, note error messages, and test on a different account or instance to isolate permissions or world-specific scripts. One key tip: try a different network. Mobile hotspot often reveals ISP or router problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.